What's the meaning of clubhouse? Clubhouse. Clubhouse.
Clubhouse. Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a term that can have different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a physical venue or location where a club meets, or it can represent an online platform/app for social audio conversations. The latter has gained popularity recently, allowing users to engage in real-time discussions with others who share similar interests or topics. The app is currently only available on iOS devices and requires an invitation to join. Overall, Clubhouse represents a unique and innovative way for people to connect and communicate with each other.